Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Glam Diva. So, as the winter season is going on and our skin tends to become dry very frequently, so today I will be reviewing one of the best and India's number one best selling body lotion from Vaseline, and this is Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Restore with pure oat extract. This comes in 100, 200, 400 and 600 ml packs and in tub packaging as well. And I have this 200 ml pack which is priced at rupees 185, and you can use it for 3 years from date of manufacturing. It contains pure oat extract and Vaseline jelly and provides long-lasting moisturization for a healthy and glowing skin. You can see here it is written that it triples skin moisture level, provides long-lasting moisturization based on clinical study. And ingredient list is mentioned here. And now let's come to the product itself. It is a white cream having a mild and nice fragrance. Its consistency is fine. It's not thick, neither too thin, and it blends well into the skin and also absorbs well. It is not greasy and gives a healthy glow to the skin, as you can see. Skin looks supple and hydrated for a long time. Well, there are several body lotions and many versions of Vaseline lotion as well, and I have used them like the Vaseline Cocoa Glow and the Healthy White. But this is the one which actually keeps my skin hydrated and moisturized for a long time, especially during winters. And I really like it. And yes, and you can give it a try. You can try the smaller pack first, and if you like it, you can buy the bigger pack. And if you buy it online, you can get it mostly on discounts. So if you want a good body lotion for this season, do give this a try. It is affordable and works really well. So that was all about this. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.